Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. As always, today I got a $625 box. So $665 shipped from Soul Supremacy out of California. If you're unfamiliar with them, check them out on Twitter. You can hit their website, soulsupremacy.com. We are a part of a membership that allows us to go up every Sunday on their website and battle for beater boxes. It's a closed membership thing. I have no idea when they're going to open it back up for new members. As of now, I want to say there's 150 of us nationwide that have the opportunity every week to go and buy these boxes, and it's a complete mystery. You don't know what you got. Sometimes you get beater, sometimes you just get, you get great shoes most of the time, and sometimes you will get beaters that you can't do anything with but donate or just trash. I've gotten some crazy stuff in these boxes, but this box, like I said, was $665 from Soul. I just got it. Actually, it was a double up. I got another box over here, and I think that one was $590. So they're pretty similar in cost. I went ahead and got two of them. I'm gonna upload these probably within like 4 or 5 days apart from each other, just so I can keep on having content for you guys for the channel. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate the support. We growing, man, so that's why I'm always explaining what a beater box is, man, for all the new subs that come to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump in this one though. I'm kind of curious to see what this is since they did that week without a drop. I don't know what new they had picked up. I'm not even sure why they had took a week off from doing drops. I don't know if it was a show or what. And right off top, I'm kind of liking what I see. Off top, I'm liking what I see. I got one pair without a box, and I can only see the bottom of it. So I'm kind of hoping it's a royal. Be dope if it's a fragment, but I know that's not the case. All right, we got some game royals. Not royals, but game royals. See what size these are. These are no box, size 11. These are actually in pretty decent condition. They have no box. Like the bottom is pretty clean. A lot of stars. Hopefully you guys can see that. Check that out there. A lot of stars. Overall, pretty decent shape. Not too much to say about these, man. I really like these. Size 11. Only shoe without a box. Got some kid shoes. Size 5Y Air Jordan 3 BG. Size 5. If I can get the box open. Alright, we got some infrared 3s. Size 5. Worn. These are not DS. A little dirt on the bottoms. But these aren't too bad either. I got a couple extra kid shoes also I need to post. But these are size 5Y. Not a bad colorway. Retro 3. Retro 3s are dope. They kind of grew on me. When I first started collecting shoes, I wasn't a big fan of 3s. We got an NMD R2 PK. I guess I could just show you guys the box. Size 9 on these. Got a sneakers and stuff. Paper in here. And these look like they are dead stock. No, I don't think they dead stock. Maybe tried on? I don't know. I don't know the colorway of these, but these are fire. I don't know if they dead stock or not. I'm gonna have to take some closer look at them. I'm not sure, but the bottom is really clean. These are not dead stock. They might have been tried on or something. I'm just gonna say tried on, like a 9.9 out of 10. These are very clean, man. I don't know the nickname of these. Size 9 on the NMDs. Got a lot of people that hit me up about, man, here go another one. We got another NMD R1. This is a 9.5. And this has the picture on there, so we already know what that is. And again, I want to say these are dead stock with champ receipt. Don't know the nickname of these. I actually like the look of NMDs, but I've had a couple pair in my collection, and I'm not, for my foot, they don't do me too well. But I'm just trying to show y'all some different angles, man. Dead stock, NMD, 9.5, R1. Alright. The rest of these shoes looks like Jordan boxes. We got a 12.5 Jordan 7. That's a rare size to get. The box is kind of beat up. We got hare 7s. And these need a good wipe down, but overall not bad condition. Has some dirt right here. A little dirt on the inside of the shoe. 12.5. That is not a size you see often. I probably can count on one hand how many size 12.5s I've had. Hare 7s though, not bad. I had a DS pair not too long ago. I've been getting a lot of Hare 7s actually. Face box could be something great, could be something really bad. Jordan face box. It's a size 11. Oh, it's a retro 11. That could be a good sign though. Got the sole supremacy tag on there, which means they tried to sell it. We got some Breds. I don't know, it's a real sneakerhead that hasn't had this shoe in their collection. These are a size 11. This is, I'm assuming, a 2001 release. In great shape. No sole separation on this shoe anyway. No sole separation. Still has the 23 on the back. This is a nice pickup. I know it's an older one, but it's still intact. It actually seems to be still wearable for it to be so old. Let y'all get a closer look at these. 11 sell really fast. Still got the 23 on the back. For a shoe this old, that's kind of rare. Wow, with the original receipt. Somebody paid $99 for these with the original receipt and retro card, OG box, retro 11s. All right, I got a big box in here. I'm not sure. I kind of think I know what it is, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna save it to the last. I got another 10.5. Man, this is crazy. We got a double up on these. Size 10.5. Reading the colorway, I see that these is hares again. Within the last month or two, this has to be my 4th pair of Jordan hares, Jordan 7 hares. These are 10.5, and these are in great shape also. Could use another wipe down. But man, you go back and check my other videos. In the last month or two, I've gotten a lot of these shoes. What's up with that? Jordan 7 hares, 2 pair in 1 box. I ain't complaining. These will sell. They will sell pretty fast. Actually 2 good sizes, even though that 12.5 is pretty big, but I know a couple people that probably can get them. Alright, so this box right here is something I've been looking at, and I kind of think I know what it is, but I've never had this shoe before. And now I think I know what it is. This is, and they got the sole supremacy tag on there, $300 retail, size 8. And this is a 665 box, and these are PSNY. The sleeve part is damaged. Woo! And the best colorway in my opinion. We got some PS sole supremacy, man. This how y'all feel? DS PSNYs in a size 8. Very dope. Very happy to have these. This is actually my first time having these in hand. The materials feel stupid crazy fire. This is wild, man. I know these don't sell for a whole lot of money, but this is at least half the price of the box right here. These are dope. This is a premium shoe for real. And to me, this is the best colorway in the PSNYs. So yeah, this box was a W for sure. Really happy to have these. You guys probably be seeing those up on IG. Follow me on Instagram, eBay, Twitter, whenever I am active on Twitter. Everywhere, man, at TGOTSOLE. You can hit me up in the email, tgotsole@gmail.com, and I will respond. Give me about 48 hours to get back to you. If you're watching the video within the first day or two of it being uploaded, I try to comment back to everybody. That's no problem at all, man. I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. We just unbox the used shoes, so it's nothing special or magnificent about it, but I do truly appreciate you guys watching it, taking time out your day to check me out. And yeah, man, with that being said, I'm out. Peace. Oh, hey, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. This other box will be going up real soon, probably within the first 3-4 days of this one going up. That one will be going up. All right, I'm out. Peace.